Hi and welcome to the Covert Messenger 2.0 demo video. Now firstly, WordPress blogs are great and Google love them. It's easy to get a lot of great free traffic from Google to a WordPress blog. But it can be very hard to monetize your blog traffic, simply because your visitors have gone completely ad blind and are experts at filtering out your ads and only looking at your content. But at the same time, we know that people always pay attention to their Facebook Messenger, Skype and other similar services. We're simply hardwired to want to have contact with our friends, our family and other human beings, and we fear missing a call or a message. And companies like Facebook, Microsoft and Skype has also spent millions of dollars conditioning us to pay attention to the Messenger pop-ups. And now we've combined this knowledge into one super powerful plugin that instantly puts high converting Messenger ads on your blogs. Covert Messenger gets more clicks and generates more sales than anything else we have ever used on our blogs. So let me show you how it works and what it can do for your bottom line. And here we are on my WordPress blog, and one of the first things you may notice on here is that I have a couple of ads here. I have a banner ad here and a banner ad up here. And your own blogs may have some banner ads, some opt-in forms or other ways you're using to try to monetize your content. Now the problem is, of course, that people are really good at seeing all the content here, and they're also really good at completely ignoring your banners or your opt-in forms because they're so used to seeing advertising online that they simply filter it out. So the key is to interrupt their pattern and show them your ad in a way that they didn't expect and something that they definitely will pay attention to and click on. And that's what we're going to do right now by installing the Covert Messenger plugin. And firstly, installing the plugin is very easy. It's literally one click. You just click install now and WordPress does the rest and you activate the plugin. Then we have Covert Messenger down here. We can open it up and now we can set up our first ad. As you can see, we have multiple templates here. We have AIM, Facebook, ICQ, MSN, Skype and Yahoo. And you'll see a live preview when you're working your ads out here. So let's look. Here's a Skype Messenger, a Facebook Messenger, and here's a Skype one. Let's go with Facebook. No, actually, let's go with Skype for this one. I like Skype and use it a lot, so let's go with that. So as you can see, we have the preview here, and as we edit the ad, you can change it. So firstly, the from name here, you can write anything you want. I'm just going to write my name here because that fits well with the Skype template. You just have the name. And then I put in ad text here, and I wrote something in advance that I just paste in here. See here we have an ad message. You can use basic HTML in here, such as bolded text, italic, strike through, and so on, and also font colors to HTML up your ad. And see, this is what the ad will look like, and it says, would you like a profit-pulling blog that looks just as good as this one? Reply to this message and get a 50% discount on a brand new Covert Gawker theme. Excellent. So here we specify a link that people go to when they click the ad, which will obviously in this case be Covert Gawker. You can set whether it should open in the same window in a new one, whether you want this ad to show everywhere in your blog or just on the front page. I think I want it everywhere, yes. You can disable the ad on tablet devices and on mobile devices if you want to. Yeah, it still look great on mobile devices and on tablets, but you have the option to turn it off. You can set a delay on here, several delays actually, to make the ad look more natural and organic. So for example, I can say that it should only pop up after 3 seconds after people hit the sign. It should stay up for 10 seconds. And then it will go away again, and then say maybe it should pop back up after 5 seconds. And if people actually close it, let's wait 1 day before we show it to them again. And that's all there is to it. You can update your settings and then set the ad to active. Here you have a button to quickly set it to inactive or set it to active. So if you go over here and reload the page, actually I will need to resize so I can show you. There we go. The ad is popping up here. And it stays up for 10 seconds and then it goes away again according to my settings. There it goes, and then it should pop up again after 5 seconds. And there we go. This really gets people's attention because they're used to looking for Skype, Facebook and whatever messenger they're using. It's something new they're not used to seeing, catches their interest, and then what you write on there will get them to click, and you will get great results from that. And you see if you click this, then it opens up the link as I specified, which is for our Code Gawker theme. So that's all there is to it. You can use all the templates, you can set up your ads with any text you want, and you have a lot of settings for where to have a show, when and for how long, and you can send traffic to any link you want, your own products and sites, affiliate links, CPA offers, your lead capture pages, and so on. That was a quick demo of the new Covert Messenger plugin. I hope you liked it. It's definitely a super powerful plugin, no matter what niche you deploy it in. You can read on below for more information about the plugin, or you can click the button below to start using Covert Messenger today, because time is literally money. The dime sale is on and the price goes up with every order. And the early bird special will end and the price will go up when the countdown timer hits 0. So click the button below to secure your copy of Covert Messenger today, and I will see you inside.